Da, da.
No. He's just coming at you. I'll do the extra long net for this one.
Yeah.
Just for the hell of it.
It's like the size of my first one yesterday.
Yeah, that's not bad. Good
Yeah.
start.
Just not like the ones they were cutting up.
Yeah, it's not a dinkosaurus.
It's like a normal one.
What the? No. Can I have the pliers?
Yeah.
He was not getting off.
Pliers or scissors?
The red one that you're cutting his hair with.
I don't want to trim from you, Ashton.
He was triple hooked.
Oh yeah, he needs some now.
Oh, I hate when this happens. Can you open the live wall? Good start.
Thanks, so hold it open. Better keep them in there. And then shove them.
I'll dump the salmon juice into your bag for you.
No.
What?
You can have those then.
That's a good idea?
Gotta dump the salmon juice into the water. Then the salmon.
You think that's a good attractant for him?
Yeah. No. I don't. No, we forgot to do.
Huh.
Put a spawn sack on there.
I didn't forget. I just chose not to. Who's
Today
gonna
we're
get it?
going to
Who's gonna get
Walmart to get some cat food. Give me!
Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, it's just a really small one. All right, it's good practice for you.
No, this is good. Yeah, Ashton can get that. I don't want a small one. I don't want a dinkosaurus.
All right, so you gotta snap it out hard. Real. Keep going. Get him tight. All right, that's good.
What? What if this is the last fish of the night? Well?
It won't be.
I'm at the store and I'm gonna treat myself with some cat food. I love cat food.
How small is it?
Not this one.
Hey,
Not this
we're
one.
filming.
Easy.
Jacob, watch this video.
I'm at the store and I'm gonna treat myself with some cat food. I love cat food. Yummy.
It looks like Quinn.
Not this one. We're getting the good stuff today.
Oh, hold up.
Turkey, that's the good one.
I love eating garbage.
Where's the
I'm at the
belt?
store and I'm gonna
That's right there. Here.
Lift him in like a bass.
Like, flop him in. Dinkosaurus.
Yeah, who catches these mini ones?
Yeah. That's like the one that those people were cutting up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one they were cutting up. That's my practice play.
Did you see what the downrigger looked like when he was on there? Just
Yeah.
barely shaking a little bit differently. He's not letting it back in.
Huh.
The live well, please. Uh-oh. Stinky belt.
I don't want to use that belt. I'll buy my own belt. I'll still use it. Make sure to wash that. Oh yeah, these are the good stuff. Oh,
I like
I like to
it.
watch this video.
You like
Snakehead for bait sometimes.
snakehead? What? Where? I thought you said he's like in Carolina.
Uses eels. snakehead fish.
Get your story straight, Axel.
He does all this in like New Jersey, kid. Where's he out of? How would you know he's not out of New Jersey? Chunky rigs.
Hey, come on. Who's here? Who's watching this thing? Where's your belt?
I don't need a belt.
You don't need
It's
a belt?
alright. Stop, I don't need it fine. I got it in. I got it clipped on. Ashton, get it clipped? It is. With my hands. Come on.
You're gonna get it tight or not? It's gonna get away.
Yeah! Oh, I got this. I got it.
Hold on.
Ooh, I got
Oh, he's pretty big. Sorry.
I call being that man. That's what I hate about long necks.
I don't have it maxed out. Tighter than that, Axel. Tighter than that. Oh, he's fighting pretty good, huh? What's going on here?
He's not giant.
You gotta put the.
I got. Oh, this is on. He's not giant. It's on.
I know, but I'm trying to help you out here. Yeah. You better reel.
Oh. Real kid, reel. What happened to the butt of that one?
Yeah, I got it ripped off.
Oh.
Poor guy.
Poor guy. His feet got ripped off. It's not that big.
It's bigger than the first one.
Yeah. Bigger than the first one.
Keep him tight, Axel. Keep him tight.
It's not. Literally.
To some extent, it's so much harder to use when it's too long.
Yeah, I guess. Should like put this thing in this. No. Yeah. Where should I do it?
We'll bring him right here. Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Oh. Where's this little one? I see it. Oh, I see it.
You remember what I told you, Ashton? How to net them?
Oh, I keep it.
Oh, it's a Laker.
It's a lazy lake. It's my first ever lake trout.
It's a brown trout. Wow. That's the first brown of the year. Wow. On the bluff nose. I seriously can't tell you the last time that I caught a brown trout trolling. It's probably been 10 years.
Actually, you should have made a bet if I catch a brown trout. If you catch a brown trout. Now you can't. You lost
I
out.
guess we'll keep it.
What's the bet again? My bet is
It's for both of you.
mine's a sockeye salmon too. Oh, that's.
I guess, yeah, we can throw sockeye salmon into that one.
I'm
It's a
just gonna.
football
I'm just
of a
gonna
brown.
go to Alaska really quick and get a sockeye
gonna say, that
salmon.
didn't
travel
look
it
like a
with it
laker.
on my rod and then put it back in.
You know where the
The beater
smacker
6,000?
is?
Oh, I don't. Oh, it's on the beater. Beater smacker 6,000.
One more.
We're eating it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Out here, look at they look nice.
I know, they don't look like those.
The Milwaukee ones. You want a picture with them?
Never caught a trout. Oh yeah.
We will get a picture. Let me bleed him out
we
first,
will.
so he's not all nasty for you. Where'd you put the scissors?
I gave him to you. Where should I put this
Oh,
rod?
I got him right
Where
here.
should I put the rod?
Just hang on to it for a second, please.
Yeah, hang on to it, guys. First Laker. That's not Laker! No, first trout. I was gonna say though, at first it didn't look like a Laker. So I was like,
All I saw that is that it wasn't silver. It
Yeah.
had some darker color to it. And seriously, well, for one, I've never caught a brown out of Kewaunee. Not that they're not here, but they usually stay shallower. That'd be fun to catch jigging though.
I know. Especially on my
Ashton, I get to catch the next one too since you caught that tiny.
Well, technically not. Because this is the first one that you claimed that you wanted. So technically.
Yeah, but you got two, so I get the next one.
No, you don't.
You got the first two, I get the second one.
That's the first one you claimed. So then technically I get the next one, right, Jacob?
I'll let you guys decide it. I do think it.
Did you say that?
Yeah, I did.
No, you
It's not
didn't.
very nice.
No, you didn't.
Uh-huh.
No, you didn't.
Say it, Ashton.
Yeah, you did it. What do you use to stay awake so
Hey,
much?
who's gonna get this one?
You got one.
Hold on, let's make sure.
Chunky got one on. He's got one.
Yeah, get him, get him.
Is that a small one?
Reel right away, reel right away.
Oh, now I get the next two fish.
He might wake up, he might wake up. What do you think? 4-pounder?
Yeah.
He's not a dink.
4 or 5.
Want the belt? You want the belt? Where's the belt at, Axel? You got it on! Are you crazy, kid?
I am.
I don't know where it is.
Actually, you have it on.
Yeah, he was looking for it. He was like, I don't know where it is. This thing's too tight.
Oh my God, look at this big one he got. Oh, that's a dink actually. Guys, what if I said my Skittles are almost done? Gone.
Alright, do this something now. We got it. We can also try putting it up here. The buttons that are on. I know, it is really fun. You're cheating on him. A little more. Get this one.
5 pounds.
And 4 or 5.
Not the giant one.
Look how hard they're biting today. Remember how much we lost the other day?
Smaller than the first one.
Some days they just are way more aggressive, which is good for jigging.
Try not to swim back out.
Yep.
Oh, the Gatorade! No! Your Gatorade.
It's fine. There's like nothing in
He
it.
has a Powerade too.
I get the next two fish. Yeah, huh?
You were too slow again.
Well, no, it accidentally closed one fish. So. One fish.
At least like 500,000 followers.
Actually, you can come back here for a second. I gotta get up there.
You think he's gonna get 500,000 followers? You think? You really think so?
At least like 1,000.
Hey, who's looking at that one? Get it, get it, get it, get it!
I got it! It's mine! It's mine!
It's a big one. It's a big one. Be careful, Ashton. Be careful, Ashton. Be careful.
Mine! I got it. No! That's mine!
Give it to Axel.
It's Ashton! Ashton just said it's mine!
Give it to Axel. Give it to Axel.
Ashton!
Hopefully this turn this chair around.
Keep reeling.
Pull your bike.
Up here for a second.
Axel, it's not even recording, you dummy.
Yeah, it is.
Well, it was.
Forward.
Dude. Oh.
Yeah, let's move back here. It's actually bigger than I thought he was. He's a good fighter. Yep. We'll actually get him on this side. On the left side of the pool. Yep. We're gonna net him on the side of the boat there. Move a little bit closer to me, actually. Yeah, that's good. I'll help you lift him in after. Get him in the net.
Oh, there he goes. He's angry.
Is he pulling out some line or
Oh,
not?
he's pulling out a lot. Oh, yeah.
Tighten the drag a little bit. Tighten the drag a little bit.
Which way is that?
Yep, like that. Turn the handle. Yeah. Easy, easy. Good fighter.
That was only fun.
Alright, so we're gonna lift and then reel. It's still not tight enough. Come on. Tighten it. Come on.
Real.
He's getting it stuck in his shirt.
These are better.
Not too much, not too much. One underneath.
Axel, go over the light. Let's go. Stop.
He's a big one. You gonna get him in? Man, he's a good fighter. Don't reel yet, don't reel yet. Okay, reel. Lift. You got it? No, he got it, he got it. Not too much further. You can do it.
Oh, yeah.
Remember, I'll help you out. Don't reach. Just wait till it gets a little bit closer. Alright, now just lift actually. Slow, slow. Yep. Big. No. Just too far. Alright, now you got him. Where do we put the basher?
Where's the basher 6000? I don't know. Oh, I found it. I want to whack him.
Alright. Just do it.
No, I'm not. Yeah, you can't do it. You can't do it. I want to hold him. Like, I want him here. Oh, so I can like that.
Yeah.
Oh, look at it.
Hit him. Hard.
Harder, kid.
One more. Okay.
Like, Arlie's stealing all your fishing stuff. Put it in the sink.
That's a Isn't it kind of funny when you look at the rod when he pops it out? It looks like it was a tiny little fish, and then once you finally reel it tight, you realize it's a big one.
We need to keep this back where it was yesterday. Oh, that wasn't a bad spot.
What do we think? Time for jigging?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, there we go. Alright. Yeah, I want to jig.
At this point, we all got to fight in some fish, so.
Yeah.
Well, besides me, but now I get my chance.
Yeah, he gets his chance. Yeah, his chance is what he chance in his turn, so. That works.
Gonna work it.
Okay.
Like that. And if you feel anything, not tight enough. Still not tight enough. Alright, that's tight enough. Oh, there's a fish down there.
Alright, now what do I do?
With this spoon?
Yeah.
Big lift. And you don't just go like this after you lift it. Keep it up here, that way when it drops, it's fluttering back towards you. So it has, instead of just going up and down, it has lateral movement. I'm trying to get the fish.
I don't know what to do.
Me?
Yeah, this is your rod.
Oh
yeah, you have to feed access.
this baby salmon out.
See if it's got eggs, maybe.
He hardly even smashed him on the head. He's still moving.
Yeah, so. You're not supposed to be live in there.
Now he's. Oh, my throat.